Hi friends, my name is Asif. Today my video is all about Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary 8th edition. Today I'm going to show you how from where you can download it and use it. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and now I'm going to show you about the dictionary. I have downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again, but I will give you the link in the description so you can download it later on. Here it is. This one is Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. First of all, you have to download a Ultra ISO program. It is also important to download. Now let's start. First of all, you have to press the next button. I agree. Install, and let's start. Now this is installing Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. Quick find required to use the power mode. I would say yes. So okay. And so would you like line? No, but you have to click on no because there is a reason behind it. Now you can cut it out. Now we have an Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, as you can see here on, but it doesn't work with. First of all, then you have to open the location. To say open file location, and then here it is, the crack. Copy it. Please watch the video carefully, because if you doesn't copy this method, this wouldn't be work for you. It would say copy and replace. Yes, copy and continue. Now that's going to happen, and now you can run your Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. This will work perfectly for you, and this is very good dictionary. This wouldn't work actually for me, but now it's working on, because my computer is pretty slow, so it's taking a little more time than usual. But this is a way you can download a dictionary. This is the only way for me you can download the dictionary. Thanks for watching, and okay, thanks. Good.